I've been representing clients involved in medical malpractice cases for 18 years, and what we do in these cases is that we investigate the case to find out what happened. So that involves meeting with the client and then trying to find out what happened and learning as much about the client and getting the details from them about critical dates, critical times, and the events that occurred. As part of that process, what we do is we get medical records from the client, and we also request those records through the law firm. We get copies of prescriptions that they were taking, or prescription records for the drugs that they were taking at the time of the incident. Then what we do is we go to independent experts, medical doctors in the same field that practice in the area where the doctor or the hospital was involved in providing the care and treatment to the patient, and we send those records to the doctors. And we ask them to evaluate the case as an independent physician would. So the doctor then takes a look at the information and determines whether this meets the standard of care. If the expert determines that the physician or physicians or the hospital did not follow the standard of care, then we move to the next stage of the case, which is filing what we call a pre-suit or a pre-litigation case. That case in Florida requires an investigation of 90 days. So once we have determined through proper experts that medical negligence occurred, then we actually go to the next step. And this period of investigation, once it's over, then ends, and then we can file a lawsuit. Different issues that I have handled in medical malpractice recently include people who are discharged from a hospital too early while they still have the symptoms of the problem that they went to the hospital for. So for example, a person goes in with the signs and symptoms of a stroke, is discharged, sent home, and then has a stroke. Person who is presenting symptoms or signs of a heart attack or other cardiac related issue, and then again is sent home from the hospital. In addition, surgery errors. I have handled a lot of cases involving whether it be spine surgery, knee surgery, hip surgery, orthopedic surgeries of many different kinds, heart surgeries, and many, many others. And what we see is, after we talk with the experts, whether or not there is a case. And many times there isn't a case. Many times the physician and the hospital have done exactly what they're supposed to do. And one of the things that I think that makes us different is that we truly look to make sure whether there is a valid case. We don't just take a case and file any lawsuit. Instead, what we do is we carefully investigate and we work with the best medical professionals and the best experts in the field to make sure that there is a valid reason to bring a lawsuit.